Let's find out what's on this field here. So at the moment the lilac is kind of silent, but we'll be heading to the other side there, where it's more open for us to see some honey birds. A small bird here. Oh, that's a black crake, by the way. It's a black crake. As long as I saw it here. Some of these birds are migratory, so you might see it in after some while it goes missing. So you might see it, then after some time see that one there? It's a black crake. A small black bird. There are two of them. Let's go to some sunbirds here. It's a very funny tree. I think I showed you last time when it didn't have flowers, but today it has some flowers. These are an acacia tree. Got the nice flowers here. Yeah. Sometimes when you tell someone that this is an acacia tree, you might argue. When I remember the last time one of my colleague was like, this acacia, you are like, no. But later on find out that it's an acacia. So for the acacia trees, there are so many species. Like this one is called yellow-backed acacia. There are so many of them. Other acacias here. So guys, now we're heading to the lilac now. And we're sorting out the issue very soon. Look at that acacia tree there.